Hi friends, welcome back my channel Gulf Lotto. Today's prediction Little Draw 28 September 2022. Previous result 708. This is past prediction 708. I said first or last. 708 passed. This is also passed. 362. 362. Also passed prediction. Today's second number prediction. Today's prediction number is 27438. This is prediction number. Also predict second number. 3 number. This is the number. Second number 7 or 8. This is result of little draw. Just check second, no 7, no 8. More chance 7 or 8. And also one more number. Check first result 8, 2, 7. 2 have. Here no 2. Third result 2 have. Fourth result 2 have. Fifth result 2. No number 2. 7 result chance 2. Are you subscriber of Gulf Lotto? Please send screenshot this number. I will give you 4 set number. Little draw have 3 prizes. Straight number first prize, reverse second, mix also prize. Second number I already told 8 or 7. Example 274382. This also chance 723. This also chance have. Send the screenshot of subscribed page to this number 919746834393 in WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Good luck all of you.